Hi there, if you'd like to know more about the new community guidelines strike system, then stay tuned, watch this video all the way to the end as I reveal all. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com, your place to grow your business using YouTube. If this is your first time to this channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a brand new video on this channel every Tuesday. Now, YouTube have implemented new guidelines around their community strike system from February 25th, 2019. So what are they and what does it mean to you? Well, firstly, the system was very confusing for a lot of people. Different types of strikes got different types of punishment. So after a lot of feedback from a lot of people, YouTube have made it a lot simpler and are making the strikes the same across the board. Now, this is not the same as content ID strikes. So if you have a content strike, then this is completely different, and this video is not about that at all. So that is a separate video, very deep topic, but we will not be going into that on this video. Community strikes are anything from offensive videos to discrimination to just going against YouTube's terms of service. A full list of them are in the link in the description below, where I link over to YouTube's page describing everything there. So what happens with the new strike guidelines? Well, first of all is that you get a warning to begin with. So if you have a piece of content that YouTube finds isn't part of their community guidelines, then they will take that down and send you a warning. You'll get an email, you get notifications on your channel and various things like that to be notified that you have a warning. Now, if you believe that you're in the right, you can appeal this. If your appeal overturns the warning, then you get that warning removed, and then if you offend again, you get another warning. If your appeal is not overturned, then your warning will stay. Then if in the next 90 days you get another strike, that will be your first warning. So once you have a warning on your channel, if you offend again, that is your first strike. With your first strike, you will get a 1-week posting freeze. So what does that mean? That means you can't upload content, you can't do any live streams, you can't post to the community tab, and you can't do any stories. And you can't also upload custom thumbnails. Now, this can be appealed, of course, and YouTube have processes for that. If you offend again within that 90-day period, then you get your second strike. Here you have a 2-week posting freeze. So again, no new uploads, no live streams, no community tab, no stories, and no custom thumbnails for 2 weeks. If you offend once again within that 90-day period, then your account is terminated. Each strike will stay on your channel for 90 days. So you need to make sure that you're not offending on a regular basis if you want to keep your channel. But YouTube have promised that they're going to be open and more transparent, letting you know why exactly you have got the strike. Now, if before February 25th you had a strike on your channel, lucky you, your strike will be removed. If you offend again, you will get a warning. So from February 25th, any previous strikes that are in the system will actually get a sort of amnesty. The next time you offend the community guidelines, then you will get a warning. So everything starts from scratch. Now, since this is brand new, no one really knows how effective this is going to be. So hopefully for anyone using YouTube, whether you're a content creator or a business, that you can get a clearer understanding of what's happening, why it's happening, and be able to get it overturned if you are in the right. Now, I'd love to know your opinion on the new YouTube Community Guidelines Strike system. Let me know in the old comments area below. I'd love to know if you have had a strike with this new system, how it's going for you. Hopefully you haven't, but in case you have, let us know your experience. And as always, if you have a question about this or anything to do with YouTube, make sure to pop that in the old comments area as well, and I'll do my best to get that question answered for you. Make sure to like and share as well. Make sure to hit the subscribe button right here and hit one of those videos over there to get more videos to help you grow your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.